Today, I'll be showing you how to cook shrimp laksa using Asian Home Gourmet Spice Paste. But before we get started, we have to be sure na super fresh and superior quality ang lulutuin nating seafood dish. Kaya naman, gagamitin natin ang high-quality jumbo shrimp from Pacific Bay. Para tulungan tayo to prepare our dish, we have here Chef Alex from Pacific Bay. Hi, Chef.
Hi everyone.
Chef, ano nga bang benefits pagka ginamit natin ang seafood from Pacific Bay?
Yes, very time saver and then ready to cook na rin. Nasa nice packaging na rin. And then kailangan nyo na lang mag-order. Merong mga 300 bucks and 500 bucks na serving.
So maganda nga yung products ng Pacific Bay. Readily available na siya. And ready to cook, di ba? Pero hindi lang yun yung main ingredient natin para sa recipe na to. Together with Asian Home Gourmet Singapore Laksa Spice Paste, let's treat our taste buds with exotic flavor of this aromatic laksa na siksik sa malinamnam na hipon. Let's get cooking, Chef!
So first thing, we need oil sa pan.
Ay, Chef, buksan muna natin na.
We start cold.
Bakit, Chef? Tangin ko lang na
Para
kita na.
ma-infuse natin yung garlic flavor sa oil. Dahan-dahan lang din yung apoy. Para ma-infuse natin yung garlic flavor. And then after we infuse it, the oil.
Ayan.
And here, tapos lagyan na natin yung shrimp.
Yung marinated shrimp natin.
And then from here, we can,
Bango na agad. Sisizzle na siya.
from here, pwede natin, palit-palit na natin.
Okay.
Sige, shitlit lang natin ng kontinent.
Ayan, orange.
Pag orange na yung
Lutok na ba siya agad? Or
pwede na yung one side.
pagka flip natin, Chef, ano nang gagawin natin?
Kada coconut.
Coconut milk. Salt. Eto, Chef, anong part natin ilalagay pala yung spice paste natin?
Ito, pwede rin natin ilagay na now
Now, while boiling.
while boiling.
Sige, Chef. Kuha ko ng scissors. Lahat ba to gagamitin natin, Chef, or half lang?
Dahil marinated na yung shrimp, pwedeng half lang and then to taste na lang.
Okay. Nga pala, we marinated pala the shrimp before boiling, no?
Pero kung hindi naman na marinate, can we use 1 pack?
1 pack.
For this one.
So, Chef, are we done cooking our shrimp laksa?
Yes, we're done.
We're done na. So, before we taste it, Chef, lahat ng gamit na natin today for cooking are all from Metro Cookware. Especially this fry pan, black marbled finish, layer-coated, non-stick aluminum base. Chef, are we ready na for a taste test?
Yes, ready.
Okay, ready. Yan, mukhang masarap. And ang laki ng shrimp. Talaga, Chef. Peeled na to, no, Chef? Yung shrimp natin. Yeah, let's do taste test. Sarap, Chef. Lasang-lasa natin yung laksa flavor, no? And yung shrimp, very tender siya and fresh. Napakadali at napakabilis lang talagang lutuin itong shrimp laksa natin, Chef. And that is thanks to Pacific Bay's Jumbo Shrimp. And of course, our hero ingredient, the aromatic Singapore Laksa Spice Paste from Asian Home Gourmet. Again, thank you, Chef, for cooking with us. And let's make gourmet magic at home.